Line segment AB of length 8 cm. Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. And taking B as center, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. So the question is given a line segment AB of length 8 cm. So we can start with the line segment AB of length 8 cm. Okay, we can start 8 cm. Then name it is given A, B. Then what's the next step? Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm. Okay, so for that 4 cm in your compass, you can select compass 4 cm radius. Okay, with A as center, 4 cm radius, draw a circle. Then next, taking B as center, draw a circle of radius 3 cm. So we need to select 3 cm radius. Take correct measure 3 cm. Okay. With B as center, 3 cm radius. Okay, the two circles are ready. Now what is given? Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. Okay, so from this point A, you need to draw two tangents to the circle, the smaller circle, the B as center. The same method, from B, you need to draw two tangents to the larger circle, which is having the center A. So for that, just you have to construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, so for one circle, B is the external point. For this circle, A is the external point. That's why you are going to construct the perpendicular bisector of AB. So with A as center, more than half AB radius, draw two arcs on both sides. Then with the same radius, B as center, draw two arcs. Okay, now join this. The two intersecting points you are joining. Now here you can see this point. Name this point as M. Now what's the next step? With the M as center. With the M as center and MA radius. With the M as center and MA radius, draw another circle. Okay, so we are drawing another circle which will pass through A and B. By taking M as center, you are drawing another circle. Now the two points you can see, the two circles intersect here. Suppose the point is X and here it is Y. Now B, from this B, you can join this intersecting point BX. You can see one tangent BX and the next tangent will be BY. So BX and BY are the two tangents from the point B. Okay, and here you can see this point and this point, the smaller circle and this one intersecting. Here it is P and Q. Now you can join this AP and the same way AQ. Can you understand? So from this circle with the A as center, you can see a circle. The external point is B. The two tangents are BX and BY. BX and BY are the two tangents. And the same way for the other circle with the B as center, from A you are drawing two tangents AP and AQ. Okay, you can measure the two tangents. Okay. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 cm. which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. So here a circle is given with a radius 5 centimeter. We need to draw a pair of tangents to this circle, but the external point is not given. The outside point it is not given. But one condition is given, the two tangents which are inclined means the two tangents are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. That is the two tangents making an angle of 60 degree. So if you are drawing a rough figure, here it is a circle, just you can see the two tangents. Understand? Now here the, suppose the external point P and the center here it is O, the two tangents. You can select PA and PB. PA and PB, these two tangents make an angle 60 degree here. Okay, 60 degree. Now by using this idea we need to construct PA and PB. For that we can apply the idea that you have studied one condition. Do you remember? Is there any connection between these two angles? Angle between the tangents and angle between the radii. What's the connection between these two? They are supplementary. If they are supplementary angles, means what? Their sum is 180 degree. So, can you say the measure of angle AOB? AOB equal to 180 minus 60. What is that? 120 degree. Angle AOB equal to 120 degree. By applying this idea, we can construct the pair of tangents. So, we are applying this because here you have studied that angle by theorem 1. You have studied angle A 90 degree, angle B also 90 degree. And therefore, the sum of these two angles, angle between the radii and angle between the tangents are supplementary. Their sum 180 degree. One angle is given, that is angle between the tangents given as 60 degree. Therefore, angle between the radii 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. Now, we are constructing 120 degree at the center and after that constructing two perpendiculars. They will intersect or they will meet at the point P. That is our idea. So, shall we start? Okay, now we can start with the radius. What's the radius? 5 centimeter. So, we have to select 5 centimeter in your compass. Understand? So, 5 centimeter. Here we are selecting. Take correct measure. Okay, 5 centimeter radius and draw a circle. So, circle selected and the radius, which is the radius? Okay, this point is the radius. Here you can see the radius, the center O. Mark the center O. Circle with the radius 5 centimeter. Here it is ready. Center you have marked as O and the angle AOB 120 degree that we are going to construct. For that, just you select a radius. Okay, any radius you can select. Any direction you can select. I am selecting like this. Okay, so here we are selecting a radius. Here it is, suppose the point is A or B. Any point you can select. Because PA and PB are the tangents we are going to construct. No. Therefore, you are selecting this point OA, that one radius you have selected. Now, at O, you know this angle 120 degree. Do you remember the construction of 120 degree? Do you remember? Yes. Take any smaller radius with O as center. Draw one arc like this. Okay. After that, without changing the radius, from this intersecting point, remember the method. From this intersecting point, you are drawing one arc. It will make 60 degree. And from this new point, you are drawing one more arc. Understand? So, just with any radius, you are drawing an arc. From this point, again with the same radius, one more time you are selecting. So, this angle will be, that is the intersecting point you are joining here with the center. So, this angle will be what? This angle, here it will be 120 degree. Okay. So, this angle you got it as 120 degree. Now, the construction 120 degree. After that, you need to construct, suppose the point is B. Now at A and B you are constructing 90 degree. For that, what's the method? Remember, just you extend this. Then from this A as center, with any radius, any convenient radius, with this point as center. So radius we have extended. Then in that extended radius, you are selecting this point. Okay. Now from these 2 points, some a little more radius, you increase the radius, and means almost 3/4 you are selecting. The distance of these 2 points, almost 3/4. Now draw one arc here, and also the same way with this point with the same radius, one more. Understand? Now we can join this point A and the intersecting point. Extended. Okay. Now the same way we have to construct one angle 90 degree at B also. For that, the same method you are extending. The radius OB you are extending. Okay. Now same method. Take any convenient radius, smaller radius, with B as center. Draw 2 arcs on both sides. Okay. So here it is, one and another one here. Now extend this a little more. Increase the radius. And from this new point, draw one arc here. And from this point, draw another one. Okay. Now join. This point B and this intersecting point you are joining. This new point here. Okay. Now you can see, here it is, the 2 tangents. Here angle A 90 degree, angle B also 90 degree. They intersect at the point. Which point? Here you can see in the rough figure it is P. So we can name this point P. And if you are measuring this angle, angle P will be what? It will be 60 degree. If your construction is correct, this angle will be 60 degree. So do you remember the construction? Can you understand it? First step, draw a circle of radius 5 cm. Mark the center O and draw one radius. At any direction you can draw the radius. The figure is almost like this, that you know. That's why I am selecting here OA. Then 120 degree. Then OB. Then after that, construct angle A 90, angle B also 90. They will intersect at the point P. Okay.